I really enjoyed the fact we started with the overview of the business, and you started by looking at the financials, where we are now, where we want to be, and then from that you've got a sort of management course as to how to actually get there. I think one of the brilliant things about the course is that it makes you take time out from the day-to-day chaos of running a business and actually sit down and focus on all the hats that you have to have when you run a business, but you can focus, get an overview of the whole situation, and then dive into the little bits. Like at the moment we're looking at marketing. Previously we've looked at how we increase the gross profit or the net profit, and by taking time out of our everyday lives, coming away from the businesses, because I find I get interrupted so much when I'm actually at work, whereas here nobody interrupts us, you know, and we can actually focus on what we're doing. And I like also the fact, although it sounds like we're at school, but I like the fact we have homework, because it means you can say, you know, you can take time out during the course of the month to go, right, I'm going to go and do that now and concentrate on that, and it just keeps you focusing on those little things within the business that can get lost sometimes because you're too busy running around firefighting all the things that happen.
I love these guys. We
we've
share
got
a
to
lot
meet
of
each other, haven't we?
so much information with each other every time we meet, don't we? Like we've all got ideas about each other's businesses, and we're all local, and that just works so nicely because, you know, Sarah can come up with something that's great for my business that I've never thought of, and vice versa. Same with Dee. So that's a really good thing. The actual chat between us is really helpful as well.